Welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I'll share with you some tips and tricks to get approved for Google AdSense. So what you're going to learn in this video is my journey with Google AdSense. What is Google AdSense? What to do to get approved for Google AdSense in 2022. And guys, please, if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you get alerted anytime I post a new video. So back in June 2020, I started a website called parinonline.com, and 2 months later, I signed up for Google AdSense. And guess what? They sent me my first rejection email in September 10, 2020. And the email read as followed: "Thank you for your interest in Google AdSense. Unfortunately, after reviewing your application, we're unable to accept you into AdSense at this time." And I'm sure that's what most website owners are receiving from Google this time around. One is because the competition is high and you have to distinguish yourself. So I'm sure this could be very frustrating to most of you. But guys, it's just a rejection email so you can improve and work. And the next thing that I decided to do after this rejection, I was so frustrated that I sorted out to applying to other advertising networks like medianet.com, the one that is owned by Bing and Yahoo. And it was just the same thing like AdSense. And after being frustrated, I decided I took it upon myself to learn. But if others accepted, it means that I could and I can and I should be accepted. So what is it that are doing differently from me? I went to various platforms like Quora. I watched YouTube videos on how to sign up for Google AdSense, what to do, what not to do. I also started asking firms in the hub Google AdSense community, like, "Hey, my website just got rejected. Please, can you guys explain what I should do?" And I got a lot of answers, people saying different things, and I learned from them. And after 1 year of trying, I got accepted and I received this email: "Congrats, your site parinonline.com is now ready to show AdSense ads and start earning. If photo ads are enabled for your site, you begin to see relevant ads within few hours and can start earning money from parinonline.com." I was so happy that there was like, God, it's as if I just won a jackpot. Imagine after trying, after a year of trying to apply for AdSense, being rejected, and finally they accept you. And this is what I'm going to share with you. This the tips that I use and I implemented, and that got me approved for Google AdSense. And I'm sure that if you do the same thing, you're going to be approved for AdSense. And guys, before we move on to those tips, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell for your girl. So let's dive straight into what is Google AdSense. And according to Wikipedia, Google AdSense is a program run by Google through which website publishers in the Google network of content sites serve text, images, videos, and interactive media advertisements that are targeted to the site contents and audience. And what I always advise new website owners is this is a good way of generating revenue for your business or for your website, because when you just start out in internet marketing, it can be very difficult to make money. First, because nobody knows you. Second, probably you don't have enough visitors. But imagine if you place AdSense on your site and you're putting good content, with time, the number of visitors coming to your website is going to increase gradually, and you're going to gradually be making a lot of money. So if you're just getting started with your website, this is a good way to start seeing or maximizing your revenue. And what should you do if you want to get approved for Google AdSense, or how to get approved? The first thing you should consider is your website's domain and age. Most website owners get rejected because they buy a domain name, for example, today, and tomorrow they submit it for approval. Guys, this method does not work today. Maybe in the past Google accepted such websites, but today They are very strict and they have very strict rules and procedures. So consider giving it some time. Take my case for example. After being rejected, I gave myself 1 year before applying again. It's true that that was me. Maybe you could give yourself 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Another person could give himself 3 months. It depends. But allow your website to age. Like, allow your website, give your website some time. Because when people just a lot of people put new websites than to more than down. So Google wants to advertise on websites that are reliable. So consider your website's domain and age. Now the second thing that I would like you to do is you have to put up quality and relevant content. You always know this phrase like content is king. But for me, and I know for most people out there, relevant content is king. Don't just put up crap on your website and think that you're going to get accepted. No, you have to put on quality and relevant website. Don't use script content or copy content from other websites, because most people, what they do is that they go to other websites, they copy the content in this website, they paste it on your website, and they think that having a lot of posts on their website maybe will get them accepted, whereas the content is just they've just copied. And that's plagiarism, guys, and Google knows, because they have advanced technologies and they'll obviously detect it, and you'll not get approved. So consider putting up quality, unique content. And also the next thing you have to put into mind is consider having 10 to 20 posts on your website. Your content should attract and engage users, provide a good user experience. And under this section, the other thing that I want you to consider is put an about me page, an affiliate disclaimer if you're an affiliate market, and a contact me page. This is very important. The last tip is that I consider that helped me enormously, and I was reserving this tip for the end, is your website's user interface. Now, guys, have a mobile friendly website. Your website should be easy to navigate and have a navigation menu. And under this section, I'll do a walkthrough video of my website so that you actually see what I mean by having mobile friendly website and having a navigation menu. Because it's one thing to just say, hey, do this, and another thing to show you. So let's dive straight into my website. Here, parinonline.com, this website. Look at the home page. Learn and earn money online. Start from scratch and build an online business. Close more sales. The customer satisfaction is the key. Learn how to get traffic. No targeted traffic, no sales. Welcome to Parin Online. Start your online business today. Our services: social media marketing, search engine marketing. A short story about Paul and Nina, so that you actually know from the homepage who are the owners of this website. Some few blog articles, various seminars, recommendations, a YouTube video about how to make money online in Cameroon. So you can get to see. I use a static homepage, and this is something that I learned. Most internet marketers will not tell you this. Some people will be like, okay, don't use a static homepage, but this thing really counts, because when somebody goes through your website, on the homepage, the person has to know exactly what it is that you're doing. It's not always advisable to just put a blog post on your homepage, because most people don't even know how to navigate, or they will not have time to go through and start navigating your website. Another thing that you also want to consider: look at the homepage. You see the home, blog, training, about us, work with us page, and under the blog, for example, we have work from home, keyword research tool, product reviews, where we do product reviews, love and couple life, network marketing, online scams, inspiration. And somebody will be like, hey Marie, you're talking about online business, what is love and couple life doing here? Actually, I started this website with my boyfriend, so I was like, if once in a while I get inspired on how we manage, and we're still managing over 8 years of relationship, why not help other people? So I just post once in a while on this love and couple life, work from home. If you go through this section of the website, you'll see 7 ways to start affiliate marketing with no money, Bluehost review, 5 reasons why people fail, in multi-level marketing. And you're going to see this is an example of a content or an example of an article that we would uh, personally ourselves, we do not outsource the article. It's close to 3,000 words article, and you get to see 6 ways to start affiliate marketing with no money. And this is an example of what they call, I'll not say it's quality article, relevant, no plagiarism, no copy and pasting from different websites. You should not do that, because believe me, if you do that, you will not get accepted for AdSense. And this is just what we wanted to show you about what we actually mean by having a unique, relevant content. Now, the next thing that, if I go to the last article that I wrote, that was how to make him think about you all the time for people that are in relationships. And you can actually see an example of Google Ads. But the last thing that you want to do is to be clicking on your own ads. So don't do that. It's not advisable. If you go now to that category of love and couple life, you'll see the article that I posted recently, how to make him think about you all the time. This article is close to 4,000 words or so, I think. And you can see that the article is very long. For girls that want their boyfriends to think about them all the time, feel free to go through this article, comment below, and share your experience. So that's it. And you should just copy. Like, when I mean copy, if you copy exactly the method that I'm showing you, like your domain age, your website age, putting up quality content, doing your research, writing something that is appealing to your users. If you do that, there is no reason why you will not be accepted to AdSense. And the last tip, which nobody is going to tell you about, is I really believe that if you have a homepage that is static, your chances of getting accepted will increase than having a homepage that is constantly being updated with various posts. So you can see these are Amazon ads, for example. These are Google ads, and these are Google ads, for example. So guys, consider these AdSense on the website. When somebody looks at it, clicks, I could earn some few cents. The more clicks, the more money. So this is something that I really considered. I wanted to show you what I did to get accepted into Google AdSense. And the last thing that I really want to share with you guys is you should not give up. See, every good thing takes time. It's not because you applied today and got rejected that you just have to say, hey, that thing does not work. Man, you just have to try, keep on applying, update your website, put up quality content out there, and make your website be mobile friendly. People should be engaging on your website, and there should be high user engagement on your website. And guys, please just never give up. And thank you for following through, and please consider subscribing if you have not done that, and hit the notification bell for your girls that YouTube alerts you anytime we put up new content. And don't forget to share the content so that we all win together, because there are people that are looking for ways to get approved by Google AdSense. And if you have any other tips on how you got approved for AdSense, please comment below. And for those that are struggling, are having any difficulty signing up for AdSense, getting approved for AdSense, please comment below so that we can help you, because the objective is that we all win together to your success.